I mean, you watch a lot of stuff even now. You consume a lot of content even now, and like I think Shah Rukh Khan said this, that he's the last of the superstars. Do you really think that superstardom as an idea is gonna die out because screens छोटे हो गए हैं, सब मोबाइल पे सब कुछ देख रहे हैं, या OTT पे देख रहे हैं? Do you really think that idea or the stardom that you said?
Their stardom has a lot of contribution of music. We remember them through some songs. कोई गाना चलता है, अरे तो शनि कपूर का गाना है, अरे ये रविंद्र कुमार का गाना है, ये दिलीप कुमार का गाना है, ये राज कपूर का गाना है, ये अमिताभ का गाना है. आज गाने ख़त्म हो गए हैं. गाने ख़त्म होने से वो सुपर स्टारडम जो है वो भी ख़त्म हो रहा है आस्ते आस्ते. एक होलसम फिल्म बनती थी पहले. there used to be songs, there used to be locations, there used to be romance, there used to be. आजकल नहीं बनते. आजकल रियल फिल्म्स बन रहे हैं, अच्छी फिल्में बन रही हैं, गुड फिल्म्स आर बीइंग मेड. बट व्हेन यू गो टू सी अ फिल्म, यू गो फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट. जब आप जिस घर में रह रहे हैं, जिस वातावरण में रह रहे हैं, वही वातावरण आप पिक्चर में देखने जा रहे हैं, तो यू डोंट फील हैप्पी अबाउट इट. यू माइट फील कि आज पिक्चर अच्छी थी, बट यू नेवर फील अरे यार कमाल, अच्छा ऐसा ये लोकेशन कहाँ है, ये तो कभी हमने देखा नहीं, अरे इतना अच्छा गाना है, क्या है, ये सब लोग भूल गए हैं. एंड साउथ पीपल आर स्टिल ऑन दैट प्लेटफॉर्म. दे आर मेकिंग फर्स्ट फिल्म्स व्हाट वी यूज्ड टू मेक, एंड दे आर मेकिंग इन बिगर स्केल with very good VFX. So that's why they are succeeding.
But in your case, Rakesh ji, after you made Kaho Na Pyar Hai, and you had a superstar at home, and whose image you can mold, because you were the one who gave the first image in the first place, did that really liberate you? Because now you can do what the hell you want to. You can scale it up, you can make an alien film, you can make a superhero film. Is that what happened?
No, it was a very big burden on my shoulder. Okay, in the very first film, I showed both the aspects of an actor, a common man and a very stylish boy. Don't know what to make. And the other films, what he's doing with other filmmakers, he's also playing the same characters, the same kind of a role. So I said that star तो वो बन गया है, but stardom doesn't remain forever. But a good actor will always remain forever. And I knew Hrithik very well because being my son. So I said, इसको मेरे लिए idea came to me that let me make him
a man child.
Yeah. A very tough role to play. Because to play a child with children is very difficult. Because they are very natural. And for a hero to be that child with the children is very, very difficult. A lonely actor can do it. But when you compare it to with the children, 5 children are with them, it is very, very difficult. So when I narrated the story to Hrithik, he agreed, and he said, yes, this will be very challenging for me, it will be very nice. And I knew that he would justify the character, and he knew that I will make the film the way I have explained to him.
Right, there's trust here.
Yes, there's trust there. And so we made the film. During making of the film, the one line started coming, he's a one wonder child, or one movie wonder child. Wow,
Finished and all.
Yeah.
In the magazine covers.
Magazine covers and all that. But it didn't deter us. I told Hrithik, don't worry. This movie will do something fabulous for us. Because I had a belief that a boy who is underdeveloped, and if he gets powers, people are going to like it. It's like Karan Arjun. माँ का एक विश्वास है कि मेरे बेटे वापस आएंगे. वो कहीं से भी आते हैं. वो आएंगे, अगर आते हैं तो that is a. So we have to make the people believe. What is filmmaking? Filmmaking is what? Taking people to another world and make them believe that this can happen. If you see Avatar, what is it? It's the same story, but put in a different format. Emotions, good locations, which you have never seen. So this is the magic of entertainment.
So, Koi Mil Gaya mein, did you need to mortgage your car or house again?
No. I had Kaho Na Pyar Hai behind me. So.
Right. And of course, I mean, after the success of Kaho Na Pyar Hai, there was the tragedy, and when I was watching the Roshans, I mean, I see you getting out of your office and getting into a car. Did you actually reenact that shootout episode that happened, the assassination attempt, as it were, that happened 2001 for you? Did you reenact it for the?
Yeah. That was not the office where I was shot. We shot it in this office. The prison, I had another office, so the shootout happened over there.
What was that like, Rakeshji? I mean,
I don't think I should talk about it because it reminds you of a very scary and a very not scary actually, a very bad taste. That in that time the industry was going through a very bad phase with this underworld people. Most of the producers, most of the actors connected with this underworld people. It was a very, very bad phase.
it's behind you now. That bad phase is behind you. What's the phase ahead for you, Rakeshji? I mean, it's been a while since you directed a film.
I know.
I think you've spoken about one film that you have in your mind, which is Hrithik Roshan doing triple roles. You love doing double roles and triple roles, and I love that about your movies. There's one that you had which is about Hrithik doing triple role.
I still have the story with me. But now we are mostly completed the work on Krish.
Okay.
And I think we'll announce that film very soon. Maybe I won't be directing it. There's a reason behind it because I want to hand over the franchise to Hrithik so that Hrithik can continue making with other directors. And because I'm still there, I can guide them in whatever way I can. So मेरे होते हुए अगर मैं किसी को hand over करता हूँ, it's better than they taking over when I'm not there.
And of course, you will be on the set. I mean, I don't think you can never keep yourself away from.
On the set, I'll be behind the project. But all the technical aspects and all that. Today, the children are very, very much ahead than me now.
Now it's AI also, not even children.
Yes.
The artificial intelligence is doing so much of the work that humans used to do.
It's good. It'll be easy.
And if you are on the set, of course, one thing that I've heard about you is the severity with which you say cut, at the end of a scene. And since this is the end of the conversation, I'd like you to say cut. And I want to hear it in the Rakesh Roshan style, Rakeshji.
Got it.
Got it. Thank you very much. This is amazing. Lovely meeting you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.